mascot.
It's their ice, and it's their fucking town. But tonight we got our fans. They spent their own dough to get here, and they came here to see us.
He's in there, Shoogie.
Who's in there?
He's gonna speak to the outside so he doesn't fall in. He knows it's gonna happen. He did smarten up. Figured it out, honey. Don't stand in the middle.
Where is he? I don't think he can get out. He's stuck.
He's like perfect.
He needs a bigger hole.
Pull up on the one that's on top, not that one.
Scotty, pull up on that side.
Go slow and pull up on it. A little more, a little more, a little more.
I can't get up there.
It's because you need two hands like usual. No, behind it. Get the crap out of your hands. Just eat it or whatever. That's it. That's it. Alright.